Today we're making quick Mediterranean egg bites. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. Make sure you grease your muffin tin before you get started or it's gonna stick. Crack 10 eggs into a large bowl. Add milk, cheese, seasoning, salt and pepper, and whisk until fully incorporated. Finely chop or use a food processor to cut tomatoes and onions into a salsa-like consistency. Use a ladle to scoop the egg mixture into the muffin tin. Make sure it's not filled to the top or the eggs will overflow when cooking. Add a dollop or two of the tomato and onion mixture in each cup. Then sprinkle more feta cheese on top of that. Add the eggs to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Check for doneness around 15 minutes. If they wobble in the center, stick them back in the oven. Garnish your egg bite with more tomatoes and onions, a Kalamata olive, and more feta cheese. Put the rest in an airtight container to keep in the fridge. You can enjoy them for up to 3 days.